Hey guys, this is Diamond and Glitter Princess. I was just starting this new project that I was doing. It is the famous owl. I have started on maybe like 5 numbers already. And I am just so amazed how it just slowly turning out like different colors and the way the patterns are is making this owl come to life. But I'm really upset that it's only a half painting and not a whole painting. So my project on this project will be spraying maybe an adhesive spray around the frame and trying to put the remaining of my diamonds around like different areas to just come out, because I'm going to use this some way, somehow. This one is definitely going to get used. And then we're going to frame it. So I have like 2 of them to frame. So we have a journey to come. And I'm just going to try to figure out which ones that I can buy that I can do the whole picture instead of a half picture and let this owl come to life. I love the purple in it. I love the yellow. I'm not even done yet, but it's just so cute. So we'll see. Until then, be blessed and goodbye.